In this divine assembly be seated, omnipresent, omniscient, Almighty Lord, Sri Swaminarayan, all saints and all my beloved listeners, Jai Swaminarayan to all of you.
Jai Swaminarayan.
Suhas bhai wants me to give speech in English. That's why I am trying to speak in English. Although it is difficult for me to speak English because I have no so much vocabulary, but I will try my best to please all of you. In English, this is big problem. The pronunciation of some words is not same. All people say differently. Suppose the spelling is there, T-H-E. Some people pronounce it the, some people the, some people the, some people the. In India we say education, here people say education. So the pronunciation of some words is very different. And English is international language, so people of many countries speak English. So style of speaking English is also different. We Indian people say, where are you going? We people say, where are you going? English people, where are you going? So it will be very difficult to understand where are you going. So they don't pronounce ref, R. But I will try. Suhas bhai told me. So, all of us, we all want to be happy. There are two things which make us happy and unhappy. One thing, the first is, we want something. If we don't get it, then we will be unhappy. We want something, if we get it, then we will be happy. Sometimes we have things, all things, but we don't like it, so we will be unhappy. Suppose one person wants wife, but he is unable to marry, he has no wife, so he is unhappy. Many people have wife, but they don't like, so they are unhappy. So sometimes we are unhappy because we have nothing. We want something, but we have nothing. Sometimes we have all things, but we don't like them. See, we don't like something. There are also two reasons. Sometimes thing is not good, so that's why we don't like. But sometimes thing is good, also we don't like, so this is our fault. Wife is good, but husband doesn't like, so this is the husband's fault. Sometimes wife is not good, husband doesn't like, so it's okay. There is not his fault. Sometimes wife is not good, then he doesn't like, so it's okay. See, I will show you one clip here. This person goes to house and asks every person, are you married? If he say yes, then he writes down, okay, he is married. So he goes house to house and asks, are you married? Then you see,
Good morning, sir. I'm the census taker. Are you married or happy? Married.
married. Married. And to be happy, I will say another thing. Suhas Bhai taught his son Ayan what is need and what is want. What is need and what is want. So I asked Ayan, where is Ayan? Will you explain what is need and what is want? Oh, Mike, please give Mike. Hey, please come here. What is need and what is want?
To be happy in life, one need to know the difference between need and want. Our needs are things we need to survive, and everything else is a want. Water is a need, and Coke is a want. Healthy food is a need, but pizza is a want. House is a need, the big house is a want.
Thank you. So this is also we have to know what is want and what is need. Ayan explained, need is something we need to survive. Need is something we need to survive. But want is something we don't need to survive. So water is need, but Coca-Cola is want. Water is need, it is required to survive. But Pepsi, Coca-Cola is want. Food is need to survive, but pizza is want. House is need to survive, but big house is want. So if we know difference between need and want, then we will be very happy. So this is the second thing I told you, to be happy. And one thing I will show you. Sometimes there is big question about God. Today many questions asked Ayan also about God. See, in American dollar it is written, we trust in God we trust. In God we trust. But sometimes we have question, where is God? Who is God? So I will show you one clip about God, then I will explain in Gujarati. First of all, I will show you one clip.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Prof, good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
What are you people drinking?
This is Freshio. Freshio is back.
Yes, sir. Freshio is back.
That's nice. Mark Angel, I heard you just won the YouTube Gold Award. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Wow, you people are really trying, you know.
Thank you, sir. It's God, though. It's God that is doing everything for us, sir.
Yes, sir. It's God.
God? Which God?
Our God.
Your God. Where is your God?
Our God is in heaven.
Can you see your God?
No.
Can you touch your God?
No.
Then there is no God.
Eh?
Science has proven it, that anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have a God.
But, sir,
Shh. Are you a graduate? I am a professor.
Professor, excuse me. How do you know there is no God?
Common sense. I use my sense.
Where is your sense?
My sense is up here.
Can you see your sense?
No.
Can you touch your sense?
No.
That means there is no sense. Yes, because according to sense,
Are you a graduate?
First, from beginning, same time.
Science has proven it that anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have a God.
Pastor,
Shh. Are you a graduate? I am a professor.
Professor, excuse me. How do you know there is no God?
Common sense. I use my sense.
Where is your sense?
Where is yours?
My sense is up here.
Can you see your sense?
No.
Can you touch your sense?
No.
That means there is no sense. Yes, because according to sense, anything you cannot see or touch does not exist. So you don't have sense.
Emanuela.
તમે બધા ખુશ થયા હો કે ન થયા હો, છોકરાઓ બહુ ખુશ થઈ ગયા